Okay, so our first problem is 267 plus 355. So first, let's put our blocks together. For 267, you're going to have one 100 and two 100. So that's 200. 100 flat, 100 flat. And then you're going to have 6 is in your tens place. So you're going to have 6 longs. Okay, and then you're going to have 7 single units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're just going to check our math. 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 267. Our next number is 355. So we're going to do 100, 200, 300. The number 5 is in your tens place, so you're going to use 5 longs. And then in your ones place, you have 5. All right, so right now we need to figure out what 267 plus 355. 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we know everything's correct. Now we want to kind of group together. Well, in the singles right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, we know that 10 singles equal 1 long. So we're going to remove 10 singles, which would leave us with 2. And we're going to replace it with a long. Okay? Now we're going here to our tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We know that 10 of these equal a flat, which is 100. So let's just go ahead and take that away and add a flat. So adding these up, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, or 610, 620, and 622. So 267 plus 355 is 222. 622, I'm sorry, I can't get my mind right today. For our next problem, we have 82 minus 45. So we don't have anything in the 100s, so we're going to leave those alone, the flats alone, and we're going to put 8 longs. Okay, let's count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have 2 singles, 2 single units. So we cannot subtract 2 from 5, so we need to add more single units. Well, we know that we can make 10 out of 1 long. So we're going to just add 10. Let's put these over here so we don't count those in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's just count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we can subtract 82 from 45. Since 5 is in our ones place, we're going to take away 5 singles. And then in the tens place, we have 4. So we're going to take away 4. So our answer is 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So your answer to 82 minus 45 is equal to 37. For our next problem, we're using multiplication. And I have a blank sheet of paper here. So we'll just act like this is our line. It's not perfect. Okay, so this is just my imaginary line right here. So we have 12 times 23. Well, 12, the top number, always goes to the bottom. So we have 12. So we have 10, 11, and 12. Okay. And then going up, we have the number 23. So we know that we can have 2 10 blocks and then 3 singles. Okay, so we have 10, 11, 12, 12 times 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So what we do now is we want to multiply these together. Well, 10 times 10 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. And 10 times 1 again is 10. Okay, so let's go up to the next one. 10 times 10 is another 100. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. Then we go up. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 again is 1. And then we know that these going up, the next 3 are going to be a pattern. So we'll just add it on. 10, 11, 12. Okay. And then we'll add another one. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 again is 1. So then we want to add them all up. So if we add them all up, we have 200 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then singles, we have 2, 4, 6. So we're going to add 6 more, which gives us 276. I'll kind of put this so you can see it. Okay. Next, so let's take all this down. Next, we're going to do division, our last problem. So our last problem is 132 divided by 5. So we're going to have circles here, okay? So now we just need to add up our 132 first. So we have 100, 10, 20, 30, and then 2. Okay. So we know that if we have 5 circles, this will not go into it. So we need to break this down into 10 longs. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And those were our 3 from the beginning. So if we have 3 circles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we know that each one can at least contain 1. Okay, so now we're going to try to match more. So we can do 2. Okay, so we're left with 10 longs and 2 single units. Well, we don't have enough to be distributed between all of them. Excuse me. So let's start with taking this 10 and making it into a single unit of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's try this again. So you have 10. So we know at least 2 are going to fit. Excuse me. Okay. But we still have 2 blocks of 10 and 2 single units that cannot go. But we can still break these down. So let's take another 10 and add 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bad on the crud, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, again, we know that 2 will fit into each one. We still have 1 10 left and 2 blocks. We know that this will break down again, so let's get 10 more. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so we know that 2 will fit in each one again. Okay, the only thing you have left is 2 single units. There's nothing you can do, so 2 would be your remainder. Well, let's figure out the answer to the problem. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 is your answer. So 132 divided by 5 is 26 with a remainder of 2. Thank you.